Hello, I'm Peter from Saunas by Design. Today's instructional video will walk you through the installation process for Harvia's heater power boxes. Harvia provides 3 different power boxes to cater to various heaters. Our focus for this video will be on the CX30 and CX45 power boxes with one group connection. Let's take a look at the contents of the package. Inside you'll find the power box, the digital Zenio control, a data cable for the control, a thermostat, and mounting hardware. Now let's take a look at the manual provided by Harvia. This diagram shows a single-phase 240-volt connection for a single group installation. It indicates that the CX45 model can handle up to 10.8 kilowatts, while the CX30 model can handle up to 7 kilowatts. By using only the first 2 terminals, the one-group connection allows for connecting the heater without utilizing all 4 provided. The power boxes, CX30 and CX45, are suitable for use with the following Harvia heaters: the Cilindro line, the Virta line, and the Club line. It is important to install the power box in a secure and easily accessible location, following the provided instructions. For safety purposes, it is recommended to have a disconnect switch near the power box prior to working on the unit. Let's begin by connecting the main power source. Bring line 1, line 2, neutral, and ground wires to the designated location on the power box. Please note that we will be using only the first L1 and L2 brackets, as this is a single group connection. Refer to the image of the power box for the exact location of the input brackets. Now, it is important to attach the safety switch, as it is a crucial step for the heater to operate correctly. To do this, locate the 2 terminals labeled A1 and A2 to the left of the breaks. Then, use cable number 14 to connect them to the heater, ensuring that you maintain the same order. These same 2 terminals can be found on the heater as well. Now we need to attach the lights, but remember that the terminal can only handle a maximum of 100 watts. So choose light fixtures accordingly. Look for the light brackets labeled U2 and N, which are situated in the lower part of the motherboard. U2 is where you connect the line, and N is for the neutral cable. The low voltage cables consist of the thermostat and data cable for the controller, and they need to be connected to the top portion of the motherboard. It's important to ensure that the thermostat cables are arranged correctly from left to right, with blue, white, red, and yellow in that order. Failure to connect them in the proper sequence will result in an error message appearing on the digital control screen. At this point, we have finished setting up the power box. Our next step is to link the power box to the heater. As per the manual, we will utilize the 5th and 6th L1 and L2 brackets. There is no need for a neutral cable for the heater, so disregard it. You simply need to supply power to L1 and L2, along with the ground cable. Additionally, remember to connect your A1 and A2 cables. Some high-capacity heaters have 4 brackets labeled L1 and L2. To ensure that all elements on the heater work, you must connect both L1 and L2 brackets and then jump to L1-2 and L2-2, as illustrated in the image. Failure to do so will result in only half of the elements being powered. Here is a complete diagram that you can take a picture of, or you can download it using the link provided below. Now that all the connections are complete, it's time to test the equipment. Ensure that the heater is empty and there are no items inside the elements. Turn on the breaker, the disconnect, and the power box. Now turn on the heater from the digital control. You will hear a loud noise that indicates the contactors are on. Quickly check the elements in the heater to ensure they are all heating up, but avoid touching them as they become extremely hot very quickly. After checking, turn off the heater and let it cool down before placing the rocks. Do not run the heater without rocks for more than 1 or 2 minutes, as this can void the warranty. Please refer to the manual for instructions on how to place the rocks. Avoid tightly packing them, as this can hinder the heater's ability to breathe and cause it to overheat. Instead, create pockets with the rocks to facilitate airflow and ensure proper heating of the room. Consult the manual for additional guidance. I hope this video will assist you in installing the power box and heater in a more user-friendly and straightforward manner. You can follow us on Instagram and Facebook at Saunas by Design, or visit our website at saunasbydesign.com for additional product information and installation updates.